Hello and welcome to this video. If you have a visual impairment, then when it comes to using a computer, tablet or phone, very often you will use a screen reader, which is a piece of software that reads out what is on the screen. In this video, I will be demonstrating ChromeVox, which is a free screen reader that can be used in Google Chrome or on a Google Chromebook or on a Google Chromebox. ChromeVox is a very basic screen reader compared to some of the industry-leading products such as JAWS or Supernova, but it is free and you don't have to download it. In this video, I will just focus on the most useful keyboard shortcuts to use and control ChromeVox. At the bottom of the video will be some links to other videos that I've made about ChromeVox and more general accessibility options in Chrome. Now, to toggle ChromeVox on or off, press your Control key, your Alt key and the Z key. And there you go. We can see that ChromeVox has started. I've turned it off, and let's turn it back on.
Window New tab.
To type into the address bar, we press the Control key and the L key together.
c.co.uk. Select www.bbc.co.uk. Selected. BBC homepage. BBC.
If we want ChromeVox to stop talking for a few seconds, then we just press the Control key. Like all good screen readers, the shortcut keys used by ChromeVox have a consistency and logic to them. This will become clearer as I take you through some of these shortcuts. So, to go to the next heading on a page, we press the Shift key and the Search key and the N key, and then we press the H key.
Main BBC homepage, heading 1.
And that takes us to the next heading.
Welcome to the BBC, heading 2 section. Section link, the desperate migrants trying to swim the channel, heading 2. Visited link, live the open, final round.
And so to move through the headings, we can just keep pressing that keyboard shortcut and it will take us to the next heading. Now to go to the previous heading on a page, we press the Shift and the Search key and the P key, and then we press the H key.
The desperate migrants trying to swim the channel, heading 2. Welcome to the BBC, heading 2 section.
To go to the next link on a page, we press the Shift and the Search key and the N key and then the L key.
Weather link. Section link. The desperate migrants trying to swim the visited link. Live the open. Final round underway at link. Inside the www.
So by pressing that keyboard shortcut, it takes us to the next link each time we press it. So the previous link on a page, we then press Shift and the search key and the P and then L.
Final round underway at St Andrews. Heading 2. Link. The desperate migrants trying to...
And that takes us one by one through the previous links on a page. So as you can see, we are beginning to see a pattern. Most of the shortcuts that you use to control ChromeVox start by pressing the Search and the Shift keys down. Pressing the letter N after the Search and Shift keys will take you forward or to the next item on a page. Pressing the letter P after the Search and Shift keys will take you back or to the previous item on a page. So let's have a look at some more shortcuts. To go to the next form field on a page is Shift and Search and N and then F.
Find out more button section. Find out more button. Find out more button.
And that takes us one by one to the next form field on the BBC page. So to go to the previous form field on a page, we do Shift and Search and P, and then we press F.
Find out more button. Find out more button. Section button. Search button.
And that takes us one by one to the previous form fields on a page. To go to the next button on a page is Shift and Search and N and then B.
Button.
Shift, Search, N and then B.
Find out more button section. Find out more button.
And that takes us to the next button on the page. To go to a previous button on the page, it then becomes Shift and Search, P and then B.
Find out more button. Section button. Search button. Wrap to bottom, main, next, button section.
Now, one final keyboard shortcut is to change the settings of ChromeVox. We press the Shift and Search and the O, and then the O again.
ChromeVox options, ChromeVox options, heading 1.
And it takes us to the ChromeVox options, and here we can see that we can change some settings within ChromeVox, but I will have a look at these options in more detail in another video. And that's it, a brief introduction to some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts that you can use to control ChromeVox. If you have any other questions about ChromeVox, please let me know in the comments section below. Also tell me about your experience of using ChromeVox. How have you found it? Thanks for watching.